Chapter 6. Signs of Dyscalculia. What is dyscalculia? Dyscalculia is not as widely researched as its cousins, dyslexia and dysgraphia. Dys meaning difficulty and calcula meaning math. Dyscalculia is a neurodiversity that results in difficulty in understanding sequencing, mathematical concepts, and memorization of multiplication facts. In my experience, working with students on math, they have trouble with arbitrary information. The way math is traditionally taught doesn't give math any meaning or value. When we teach our students using concrete information such as stories or using manipulatives, they understand and retain the information taught. Dyscalculia was first identified in the 1940s, but wasn't defined until 1974 by the Czechoslovakian researcher Ladislav Kos. He defined dyscalculia as a structural disorder of mathematical abilities caused by impairment to the parts of the brain used in mathematical calculations without simultaneous impairment to one's general mental abilities. In layman's terms, they struggle with math because parts of their brain aren't connecting properly, but they're not otherwise mentally handicapped. Dyscalculia includes difficulty in learning or comprehending arithmetic, such as difficulty in understanding numbers, learning how to manipulate numbers, and learning facts in mathematics. It involves difficulties with time, measurement, and spatial reasoning. People with dyscalculia have difficulty working with numbers in a variety of ways. There is another type of dyscalculia called acquired dyscalculia, which is acquired, usually in adults, as a result of a brain injury or stroke. We will not be addressing this type of dyscalculia. Common signs of dyscalculia. Below you will find a list of signs that are likely indicators that you or your child has dyscalculia. Challenging learning to master math facts. Messy math homework with the problems lined up wrong. Always asking, how much longer? Trouble learning to count or is still using fingers to count long after other kids have stopped. Avoids playing games that use math concepts, like trouble or risk. Hard time remembering basic math facts, such as 3 plus 3 equals 6, or 2 times 3 equals 6. Leaves out or mixes up numbers or puts numbers in the wrong columns when writing. Has difficulty telling time or sticking to a schedule. Has trouble consistently knowing left from right. Reading maps is a challenge. Can't remember math formulas and rules. Has a hard time solving word problems that use phrases like less than or more than. Is confused when talking about the time frame of events in the past or future. When writing, reading, and recalling numbers, may make mistakes, number additions, substitutions, transpositions, omissions, and reversals. Difficulty with abstract concepts of time and direction. May be chronically early or late. Inconsistent results in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Inability to visualize, appears absent-minded, or lost in thought. Difficulty with left and right orientation. Difficulty following sequential procedures and directions in math steps. Slow in understanding math concepts in word problems. Confuses operation signs or performs them in the wrong order. Difficulty keeping the score during games. limited strategic planning ability, guesses the answer to math problems without even trying to work through the problem. We have just gone through very comprehensive lists of the 3 most common dys. Please know that for every struggle your child is experiencing, there are equally as many positive attributes. Many of the signs of the 3 Ds overlap. Sometimes a little, and for others 2 or more areas may be affected. Some people have only 1 dys, and other people experience several learning differences. Dyslexia, dysgraphia, and dyscalculia all affect different parts of the brain.